I'm here to talk to you about how to build a profitable email list. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step system that guarantees your first leads and commissions in the next 24 hours. Step 1. Create a lead magnet. The first step to building a profitable email list is to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that you can give away for free in exchange for your subscribers' email addresses. It could be an ebook, a checklist, or even a video tutorial. The key is to create something that your target audience will find valuable and that they're willing to give you their email address for. Step 2. Promote your lead magnet. Once you have created a lead magnet, you need to promote it so that people can find it. There are many ways to do this, such as creating blog posts, sharing social media posts, and running paid advertising campaigns. The goal is to get as many people as possible to sign up for your lead magnet. Step 3. Nurture your subscribers. Once you have a list of subscribers, it's important to nurture them with valuable content that they will actually want to read. This could include sending them blog posts, newsletters, or even special offers. The key is to keep your subscribers engaged and interested in what you have to say. By following these steps, you can build a profitable email list that will help you grow your business and achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Start building your list today. Bonus tip. If you want to get even more leads and commissions, I recommend using a tool like Getresponse. Getresponse is an email marketing software that makes it easy to create and send emails, track your results, and automate your marketing campaigns. With Getresponse, you can easily build a profitable email list and grow your business. Check the link below to get your free trial. But to learn more about how to build a profitable email list, comment below to get access to our 3-step system that guarantees your first leads and commissions in the next 24 hours. Start building your email list and making commissions in 3 simple steps. Click the link below or leave a comment. I hope this video script helps you build a profitable email list.